Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Still celebrating the 50th subscriber, and I want to show you what I got now. I got the cold steel Lite 6-inch. Oh my gosh, what a blade. And I got one of these lookalikes that you can get from Amazon. This is another kind of like a Switchblade 6-inch knife. It's called the Corleone one, the X-Boy or something, or X-Bay. So let's look at the original, the real McCoy. And as you can see, it's all good times, ham and turkey and a bottle of beer. So yeah, let the good times roll. Now look at this thing. Wow. And I had to put it in my pocket to see that it just fits. Look at the size of it. And you got this thumb stud opener. Boom. Look at this thing. And it is sharp. Yeah. I brought this supermarket bill that I had that's about the thinnest paper you can get. Let's see what it does to it. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Tears it to shreds. So can you imagine defending your life with something like that? Does it even fit in the camera? Ooh, yeah, just barely. Look at the size of it. Let's look at the Wanabe. Let's look at the Wanabe. This, I think Tac Force makes it. And it's got this even deeper pocket clip. And this too fits in the pocket. Look at the pocket clip on the cold steel. It just has some left. But it fits in the pocket, in any jeans pocket, most of the jeans, at least mine. So let's look at this thing and compare. Yeah, it flips open. This is spring assisted. Look how skinny it is compared to the cold steel. Hope you can see that. I mean, they're the same length blade and the same length overall, 13 inches. And this thing feels like a little toy. It's very bendy. Okay, but I wouldn't want to be on the opposite end of this even. So yeah, it folds and you feel the spring and deploys nicely. So this is like 12 bucks shipped to your house. Okay, this really went down when it first came. It was like $70 or more, and I like the satin finish. It's an Aus 8 steel. Cold steel is an Aus 8A annealed, and boy, this thing feels beefy and really dangerous. Oh yeah, the thumb stud works just fantastic. Okay, you see I had hardly any time to practice. It just flies out. And they say that you can put it in your pocket this way, and this part will grab just like a wave feature, the Emerson wave, and it'll open the blade. So yeah, this is it. You saw how sharp it is. Oh yeah, it's like a supermarket bill. Let's look at what if this can handle it. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Not bad. $12. Cuts very, very thin paper. Oh, yeah, not as good as the cold steel, and it's probably gonna lose the edge pretty soon. Alright, folks. One of these crazy blades that only if you're a collector you'll probably buy one. This is the lookalike, 12 bucks in your house. Tac Force. something Corleone, 13 inches overall, and this is the real deal, the cold steel Lite 6-inch blade. Frame, liner lock and thumb stud opening, compared to that one with the spring assisted flip. Oh yeah. A couple more times if you don't mind. It just boom. Okay. Cheers everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Love you guys. Bye bye. All right.